Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Valorant if it is not opening on your computer. First, click on the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Valorant and when it appears in the results, right-click on it and select Open File Location. In the Valorant folder, find the application file for Valorant. Right-click on the file and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, you need to change the option that says Run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. Next, make sure to check the boxes for Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. After making these changes, click Apply and then OK to save them. After adjusting the compatibility settings, go back to the search bar and type Services. Click to open the Services app. In the list of services, look for the one called VGC. Right-click on VGC and select Properties. In the Properties window, find Startup Type. If the startup type is set to manual, change it to automatic. If it is already automatic, change it to manual. After changing this setting, click Apply and then OK to confirm. The last step involves adjusting your graphics settings. Open the search bar again and type Graphics Settings, then click to open it. Scroll down to the section called Apps. In this section, find Valorant from the list. Click on it and select Options. Here, you will see GPU preference. Change it to high performance to ensure Valorant uses your dedicated graphics card. After making this change, close the graphics settings window. Following this method usually resolves the problem of Valorant not opening. Thanks for watching.